Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with some new Tiara cast stuff. I saw some of the stuff down in Tucson when I was there in February, and oh my gosh, I got some in the mail, and I'm so excited. I want to show you what I got. And we're going to make a really fast pair of Southwest earrings, but they're so cute. So here's some of the information. It's called Keep the Faith. Celebrating belief, unity, redemption, hope, and love. This collection of beautiful images embraces the religious and secular worlds alike to celebrate individual expressions of belief, hope, and faith. And I am not typically religious, but some of this stuff is super cute, and I will definitely be using it. And I have a lot of friends who are religious, and I will be making them some gifts using some of this. So I'm really excited. The first thing is a toggle, which we know I love toggles. This is the Cathedral clasp. So isn't that pretty? It's got some leaves stamped in it, or well, this is not stamped, but molded. I think these are made by molds. Some leaves embedded in it. So pretty. And then there's the toggle, who's also got some leaves on it. And then we have the Cathedral link. So it's like a chandelier finding. So cute. Chandelier pendant, I should say, not a finding. So beautiful. This one's in gold. The clasp was in copper. So beautiful. And then we have the Reina link. I hope that's how you say it. These are in silver. So pretty. These are what we're going to use to make earrings. The Halo Celtic cross. So beautiful. Look how detailed that is. Then there's the crucifix pendant, also very detailed, and it's pretty heavy for the size, I should say. It's not like 2 pounds, but look, then it's reversible too. So cool. Then we have the St. Christopher charm. It's a St. Christopher protect us. I love the heart on the back. Super detailed. I don't know that, oh, these are the small infinity links. So beautiful. Love infinity symbols. Gorgeous. Then we have the Reina post, and these come in different colors. So I got the link in silver, but then the post you can make earrings out of is in gold. And I don't know, I think this is chai charm. These are really cool. I don't really know what that symbol means, but I should look it up. Very beautiful. Then we have a peace dove pendant. I love this. This is so cool. And then on the back, it says peace. These would be really pretty just like this, or you can faux enamel it with patinas. I love this. And this is very nice and solid too. Then we have one of my absolute favorite things. This is the Sacred Heart charm. It's actually, that's a big charm. It's almost like pendant size. This one's in gold. So it's 3D on the front and then engraved on the back. Gorgeous. Stunning. Amazing. Beautiful. Then we have the Sacred Heart button, which we know I'm a sucker for a tiara cast button. I love them so much. And then we have the crescent moon and star drop, which I love celestial things. So if you didn't want to attribute a religious meaning to this, or a belief or faith meaning to this, then just celestial would work too. So gorgeous. Love moons and stars. And then look at the back. Such a fantabulous collection. But like I said, we're gonna make a pair of earrings using the Reina connectors, or links as they call them. And then I have this little Zuni bear. It's a carved magnesite bead that I think I got at Al's Silver in Phoenix. A teeny tiny daisy spacer, and a ball head pin, and I'll link to the ball head pins in my Amazon store. And I'll also put a link to, I don't know if Tiara Cast sells on their website, not wholesale, but I'll link to Tiara Cast channel in their website. But I'm sure there are tons of our favorite resellers who sell them. I know Sam sells a lot on Sam's Beads. So I'm just going to do a wire wrapped loop here. And then I'm going to click on one of these. And then I'm going to close that up. And just keep bringing that around until it looks how you want it to look. And you can use your pliers to move that. Sometimes it's a little hard using your fingers. There we go. And I'll just trim that. Thing I really like about these links is they're double-sided, and so is this bear, so it doesn't really matter how much the bear turns around, it'll be the right side. So we have that. I have a jump ring. And I'm just going to connect these two with that jump ring. Right when I saw these links and that I had 4 of them, I was like, oh, I got to make some kind of earring with a drop. And then I have a ear wire, an ear wire. There we go. And there's our little cute Southwest pair of earrings, and those connectors really do the job. I really love them. And if you want, you can just make your little bears face the other way, one for each ear. There you go. Isn't that a cute? Isn't that a cute set? I love it. I love it so much. Or you could just do a briolette down here, a gemstone. You could put a gemstone in between. I mean, these are limitless. This is like a beautiful neutral is what I would call these, and you can add those to any project. Ugh, I love them. Okay, so thank you so much to TiaraCast. I have a link in the description of this video, also a link for these head pins. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Goldie, are you ignoring me? Are you ignoring Mommy?